Hey y'all, hey, it's 12:42 right now. It's your girl Boo. Welcome to another SparkDriver ride along, y'all. It's 12:43 right now. I just now started. Yo, in the morning the weather was super bad. It was raining like heavy rain, y'all. So I couldn't work in the morning. I was like, I'm not going to work in this rain. But thankfully, the rain is good. I went to take a nap and woke up like, ooh, when did this rain stop? Like, it's sunny, y'all. So I'm like, you know what? Let me go to work. Let me see if I can make at least 100. Let's go, y'all. Let's go. So I have my first order, $17, a shopping order. Going to shop for 14 items and it's going 5 miles. So let's go shop this order. Yeah, guess who buy a wagon? So happy, y'all. Finally bought it. So I'm not gonna use it over here because this thing is not much. I can take in one trip. So let's go deliver it. I just received another order, $20. It's going 7 miles and it's a shopping order. I'm only going to shop for 7 items, you guys. So that's a very good order. That's very good order. Plus the item to shop is not too much. So let's go in and go shop this order. Yo, it's time to use it for the first time. Time to use it for the first time. Yo, it's small. I didn't know it was going to be this small, and I saw the big ones, but I was like, you know what? Let me go with this small one. But when it came, it was super small, but it's all right. We can still work with it. Right? Thank you to the people who told me to buy this thing, y'all. Thank you so much. Here we go. Let's go. It's going to make my life easier. Ouch, 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 ouch. You hurt me. Hello. Yo, let's go back. Just want to take this moment to say thank you. Thank you to the people who advised me to give the work. Oh my gosh, yo. It's a real lifesaver. I'm in love with it, y'all. It just makes this job super easy, y'all. Oh my god. And I love this small. I love how small it is, and by the way, you know. So let's go back to get some more orders. Yo, I am 11 minutes away from Walmart. Just received another shopping order. $14 going to Mayo. And I have to shop for 11 items. So let's go. Sorry. $13 going 3 Mayo, and I'm only going to shop for 6 items. So yo, right now it's 3. I only have a few more hours to work, so let me go shop this order. I better take this $13. Okay, y'all, let's go drive 8 minutes. 8 minutes to go deliver this order. Let's go. Go back. Yo, over here we have some incentive going on. $4, y'all. $4 on every curbside order that I take. And funny enough, I haven't getting no curbside order. I keep getting shopping orders. So I am missing this $4 each trip, y'all. For every trip, $4 on curbside order. But I'm not getting no curbside orders, so I can give those $4. But I only have like 2 more hours to work. I'm hoping I give my 100 though. Right now I'm on 60, I think 63. So we still need like $37 more. I received an order. Let me go check. I received another order. $17 going for Mayo. And I'm only shopping 14 items. So let's go shop it. All done. Let's go check out. For this order, the customer wanted the organic banana, right? So they didn't have it. So I made sure I texted her that they don't have it. Would you like some regular bananas? And she didn't answer me on time. So by the time she answered me, I already checked out. I was like, oops, sorry, I already checked out. So yeah, so let's go drop this order. All right, let's go deliver this. My toy is not gonna fit over there, so I will just have to carry them. Yo, I love my new toy. I love it. All right, let's go deliver this. So windy, y'all. So here's the thing. This order bring me all to the other side of the other Walmart. So right now I'm thinking if I should go back to my Walmart or just go way to this other Walmart, because I am so close to it and I only need like one more order or two more order. So if I go to my other Walmart, it's going to take me like 15 minutes to get there. And if I go to this Walmart, it's only gonna take me like 3 minutes. So you gotta decide for me, what should I do? What should I do? I received an order. Let me go check which Walmart. All right, it was bad order. The reason why I don't like working on this other Walmart over here, it be a lot of people, y'all. For the people who follow me for a long time, you already know. Oh, I have a bus in front of me. Bus stop. So you have to. Yeah, so it be a lot of people to this Walmart. So that's why I don't feel like going. But I'll have to, because I don't have time to drive all the way 15 minutes. And it's about time for me to go home. I only have like 1 more hour to work. But if I had like few more hours to work, I would take my bag over there, you know. But let me just go to this other Walmart and see what we can get from there. Oh, when I say it be a lot of people, I meant like it be like a lot of SparkDriver people working. So it's hard to get order because it's a lot of people working in that area. Yeah, I didn't want to make you confused when I say a lot of people. Yeah, so let me go try and see what I can get from there. I received an order after like 20 minutes waiting. I mean, a lot of orders popped up, but it was just a bad orders. So shopping order again, $13. $13. Had to shop only for 9 items and it's going only 2 miles. So why not? Let's go shop this order. Shopping this order, but it's taking me everywhere. I have been to Z, I have been to G, A's. No, there is Maddie there.
Hey, how are you?
Good. I'm scared. So you guys, the last clip that you just saw, oh my god. So when I knocked on the door, because that order required me to scan her ID, so as soon as she opened the door, her dog came running through the door. I'm like, oh no. So I was trying to run for my life. $11 shopping order. I'm only gonna shop for 6 items and it's only going to my, this is going to be my last order of the day, y'all. my last order. Yo, yeah, it's my last order. Yo, it's time to go home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for liking the video, watching the whole video through. Oh my gosh, thank you for your support. It's right now 5:53, y'all. 5:53. So today we worked from, I think it was 12:40. I'm receiving an order, but I'm not gonna take it. I'm going home. What was I talking about? From 12:40, 12:40, I think, to 5:53 right now. So, you guys, I finally made my goal. 108. My goal was to make 100, y'all, because I started super late and it wasn't that busy and it wasn't that slow. So it was like in a middle. You know, a lot of order that I saved, there was not a high paying order. So if my orders was high paying order, I'll be like on 150 right now, you know. But a lot of order that I did was under $20. But I am so thankful. Yo, I am so thankful. Have a great day, y'all. Have a great night. Have a great day. Depends when you're watching this video. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.